I'm Christine Lucas-Savage from Backcountry Treks, and I'm wearing the local hat by Ambler. I found it's pretty versatile. So what do I like about this hat? In a word, everything. First of all, it's super cute and it fits my head very, very nicely. And that is because it's got this great adjustable strap. If you go and buy hats from Walmart or Target or places like that, you won't find an adjustable hat. I actually bought this one that I don't like wearing anymore because I get this great hat line right here because it's so tight against my head, and I hate that. And also, what I didn't realize is that it's actually warmer than I was expecting. Inside, there's this extra layer here, and it's quilted to make it a lot warmer. It's really, really great. And the best part of all is that, do you see this? This hat, this bad hair, this hat will instantly make it disappear. And I'm pretty sure that's the best part of the hat. This is the local hat from Ambler. It'll be out fall 2012. My name is Christine Lucas-Savage from Backcountry Treks.